Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Smiles to Miles. Let's spread the smiles across the miles. I would like to request all of you to like my videos and subscribe my channel to get the updates about the upcoming videos. Let us listen to the story of a little bird. Once, there was a pack of birds which was flying south for winter. A little bird refused to join the pack of birds. It refused to listen to its parents and elders, thinking it can manage. Winter came and it was so cold, so the bird froze and fell to the ground. And it was completely covered with the snow. A cow came by and dropped some dung on the bird. The pile of cow dung warmed the bird and brought it back to life. It lay there all warm and happy and soon began to sing song for joy. A passing cat heard the bird singing. It took the bird out of the pile of cow dung, and the cat finally ate the bird. The moral of the story is, don't discount experienced advice of people who care for you. Not everyone who shits on you is your enemy. Not everyone who gets you out of the shit is your friend. And when you're in deep shit, it's better to keep your mouth shut. Think before you act. And never forget to be happy and make others happy. Thank you.